So March is Brain Injury Awareness Month, and Change Inc. offers a number of services that can help.
Today we are joined by the COO, Jonathan Hunt, along with Program Director Brian Hall. Jonathan, let's start with you. Change Inc. does wonderful work here in Connecticut.
Thank you.
Kind of tell us a quick overview of your services.
Sure, yeah, we're a home and behavioral health company, so we really try to hit every market in terms of what people need to remain within their homes independent. So that can be from elder care to behavioral health, recovery assistance type care. We also do developmental services, vocational services, and acquired brain injury.
So Brian, you tell us really how Change Inc. can help a family dealing with a brain injury.
Sure. Change Inc. is the glue between our relationship with the Hospital for Special Care. So the Hospital for Special Care works with people that have had some type of traumatic brain injury. So Change Inc. is there to help them come back and try to live as independently as possible. So we have staff that go in, and one of the things that I like about it is our staff are very passionate about helping people to try to get back to their normal lifestyle, if you want to say normal. But a lot of our individuals have had some type of situation that has changed their lifestyle with their brain injury. So Change Inc. comes in, and we're the bridge between working with our relationship with the Hospital for Special Care and having them basically to live independently.
Yeah. So what would some of those services include? I mean,
well, there are different services and a different certification. All the staff that work with acquired brain injury individuals have to go through some trainings, and so they're basically there to be the extra arms, the legs, the voice for the person. They're the support for them, and the staff actually goes in and does things from teaching them how to cook again, how to independently take care of themselves, whether it's helping them learn how to dress all over again, depending on the level of the brain injury.
This can be such a scary situation for a family, you know, and I'm sure they can feel overwhelmed.
Sure. Trying
to care for a loved one, trying to figure out what's next.
Right.
And you can help that. You can help an overwhelmed person. You can give sort of a path, a guidance, a schedule.
Absolutely. Yeah, we're affiliated with BIAC, the Brain Injury Alliance. We just attended their annual conference last week and learned that, you know, over 3.5 million people are affected by some type of brain injury each year. So it's not a small thing that's occurring out there.
And not only on the patient, but also on behalf of the family and the caregivers.
Absolutely.
It takes a lot of stress and pressure off of them.
Definitely.
And that's the reason we're there, because the families depend on us to be the support. So like I tell the staff, make sure you take care of the individual just like it was a family member of your own. So the passion that our staff have is high level. We really make sure that they go in there and they are the support that's needed. The families really depend on us because, again, these people that we're dealing with, we want them to have as much of an independent lifestyle as possible.
I've done stories on Hospital for Special Care, and it's an amazing place. How long have you worked with them?
Well, I'm a newbie.
Yeah.
So,
it's been a while, though.
The CEO has partnered with them for a while, so since we've been ABI Services, that has been basically where our clients, our individuals do come from.
Great partnership.
Yeah, we've specialized in, we've worked with ABI for several years now, starting out in behavioral health and just keep adding on those layers so that really any population that needs that help, a lot of the services kind of cross over with one another, so we want to be able to hit all of those populations. Sure.
Excellent. Jonathan, Brian, thank you so much for joining us today on CT Style, and you can learn more about Change Inc. online at changeinconline.org.
Thank you
so much, all right?
All right, Ryan.
Hey, I hope you guys are hungry here today.
Yeah, we've got lots of food going on.
We got some